Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics and my channel. In this video we are going to solve this interesting integral from 0 to infinity natural log of x times sine of x over the square root of x dx. Okay, how to begin? Well, first I'm going to define a function f of n. F of n is equal to integral from 0 to infinity. Here we have sine of x, natural log of x, and here x to the 1/2. So I'm going to take x to the n minus 1/2 times sine of x dx. Well, then differentiate with respect to n. So we know here f dash of n is equal to integral from 0 to infinity. Now here we have we are going to differentiate with respect to n. So here x to the n minus 1/2 times natural log of x times sine of x dx. Now let's plug in 0. So f dash of 0 is equal to 0 to infinity. Now here x to the minus 1/2, so we can write x to the minus 1/2 square root of x, and here we have natural log of x times sine of x dx. Now if we take our integral is equal to I, we know now I is equal to f dash of 0. So now let's evaluate f dash of 0. To evaluate f dash of 0, I'm going to evaluate f of n. So f of n is equal to x to the n minus 1/2 sine of x. So how to evaluate? Okay, in the previous video I evaluate this integral from 0 to infinity, integral from 0 to infinity sine of x over x to the n dx. Here n in between 0 and 2, we know this is equal to pi times cosecant of pi n over 2 times gamma of n, 2 times gamma of n. I evaluated this integral by using three method. First one, mass identity, using mass identity. Second one, using Euler's formula. Third one, using Mellin transform. I will add the link in the description and also make a card. So now we can write here, we know f of n is equal to our integral from 0 to infinity sine of x over, now here we can write x to the 1/2 minus n sine of x, we write it out, so here dx. Now we can write f of n is equal to using this integral identity. So we know here now we have pi cosecant, we can write 1 over sine, so pi over 2 times gamma of n. N we know 1/2 minus n, so 1/2 minus n times cosecant we know 1 over sine, so sine of pi over 2 times n. N we know 1/2 minus n. Okay, then we should differentiate f of n with respect to n. So here we know f dash of n is equal to, now this is like 1 over x, so we know minus 1 over x square. So in the denominator we have gamma square of 1/2 minus n, and here this 5 over 2 constant, so we can write 5 over 2 times gamma square of 1/2 minus n sine square of here if we simplify we know pi over 4 minus pi n over 2, and here now we know derivative of gamma function, so we have we should multiply by minus sign, but we know this function, if we differentiate this function, we have minus sign, so minus minus we know plus, so here we have gamma dash of 1/2 minus n, then rewrite sine function, so sine of pi over 4 minus pi n over 2, then we know here minus, and here if we differentiate sine function, here we have minus, so we have plus. Now rewrite gamma function, gamma of 1/2 minus n, then differentiate the sine function, so we have cosine of pi over 4 minus pi n over 2 times pi over 2. Okay, then here parentheses. Okay, then we can find f dash of 0. So f dash of 0 is equal to, we know here pi over 2 times, now gamma dash of 1/2, because n we know 0, so we have gamma dash of 1/2 sine of pi over 4, sine of pi over 4, then here plus gamma of 1/2 times cosine of pi over 4 times pi over 2 over, now in the denominator we have gamma square of 1/2 times sine square of pi over 4. Okay, then here we have sine of pi over 4, we know 1 over square root of 2, cosine of pi over 4 also we know 1 over square root of 2. So we can write here gamma dash of 1/2. Now we know the derivative of natural log of gamma of x is equal to digamma of x, and if we differentiate this, we know we have 1 over gamma of x, and according to chain rule, derivative of gamma function gamma dash of x, so we know gamma dash of x is equal to gamma of x times digamma of x. Okay, then we can simplify here pi over 2 times, now gamma dash of 1/2, we know gamma dash of 1/2 is equal to gamma of 1/2. Now we know also gamma of 1/2 is equal to square root of pi, so square root of pi times digamma of 1/2, sine of pi over 4 we know 1 over square root of 2, plus gamma of 1/2, again we know square root of pi, cosine of pi over 4 square 1 over square root of 2, here pi over 2 over here gamma square of 1/2 we know pi, sine square of pi over 4 we know 1 over 2. Now we know this pi get cancelled, these 2 get cancelled, so we can take now square root of 5 square root of 2, so we can take square root of 5 over square root of pi over 8 as a common factor, so here we have now 2 times digamma of 1/2 plus square root of not square root, here pi. Okay, then we know the value of digamma of 1/2. Digamma of 1/2 is equal to minus 2 times natural log of 2 minus gamma, so we can write here square root of pi over 8, now here pi, now 2 times digamma of 1/2, so minus 4 times natural log of 2 minus 2 times gamma. Okay, this is the required answer. If you like this type of videos, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.